So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And then once you run this, you can follow everything I'm going to be doing up here. So first you're going to expand HK local machine, then you're going to expand system. Now we're going to expand current control set 001. Now you're going to expand control. Now we're going to expand Bluetooth. Now we're going to expand audio. Now we're going to expand AVR CP. Now we're going to click on the CT folder. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you run this, you should be seeing disable absolute volume. If you don't have it, then you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this disable absolute volume. Spell it the same way with the same capitals and lowercase and then click on enter on your keyboard. And then once you have disable absolute volume, you want to double click on it. And now if you do want to disable it, you want to change this to 1. If you want to enable it, you want to keep it on 0. So I'll say that again. If you want to disable absolute volume, you want to set this to 1. The value data in the box to 1. If you want to enable it, make it 0. I want to disable it, so I'm going to make it 1 and then click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer, which will now apply your changes, and then you should be good to go.